Hello, Econ fellows. This is Mr.Horse from econhub.net. Today, I bring three types of pet suppliers for your online shop. And this video, I will give you the product cost and shipping cost, also the transit time to the global. And also, I give you detail how to use it and the user experiences to let you know the more detail about when you're selling these products on your Shopify store. Just keep watching. Here are three types of products: toy, leash, and the feeding bowl. Why I'm choosing the three types of products? Because they have like high searching volumes in Google Trends in past 90 days. You can see result here for three different of the products. And also you can see the major countries from the searching in the Google is UK, Australia, US, and Canada. The major country, the people who searching those three products are very like high volume in Google. Okay, now I'm going to do the review for the three types of products and also tell you the product cost, shipping cost, and also the transit time to the major countries. First, let me do the dog toy. So there's a small ball for the toy of the dog. Let's see, they have two different sizes, big one and a small one. So this product is really fit for the customers who have different size of pets. If they have big dog, so you can sell the big ball to them. If they have a small pet, so you can sell the small one to them. So it's very like they have two selection of the size, really good for your online shop. And another thing is like, you can smell. It smells like milk. So which means these smells can more attract pets to play this toy very well. And also you can hear ding 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 when you play it. There will be ring the sound from the toy, and also this sound will be like attract the pet to play enjoyable. And also you see when you move it inside the ball, there really the small the LED light. So when the ball is moving, you can see there's a light. The light also can be attractive for the pets. So it's really playable for all the pets, even dog or the cat. So let me see the weight. Open scan. Okay, the big one is around 120 gram, and the small one is 41 gram. So which means the shipping cost won't be very high for these two products. And another good thing is like, so you can see the LED light is inside the ball. So when the pet is biting this toy, they won't like bite the LED light. So it's kind of like protection of the pet. So this one's really good. I think you can make big sales on your Shopify store. Hi, let's move to second product. This product is a dog leash. So what's difference and why we introduce you these products? First, this leash can work with two dogs, and here's a lock. So when you go long, and you can lock it the distance. And after, we have two lockers. So different colors with these different strings. You sell one unlock, another is still with long distance. And it's really, easy to use. And the good thing about this product is there is a section they can turn around, because the very difficult situation is when you work with two dogs. So they will walk like with different directions. So if you use like two leashes, when they walk with opposite or cross directions, which means you cannot change your hand, right? But you use this one, it can turn around, so the two leashes won't get across. And also this leash is 3 meters longer, so it's really pretty the long distance for walk with the dog. And another thing is like here is more gadget. You can see a flashlight. So which means if you walk at night, you still can see the walk road and to search maybe your dog is poop on the grass. So you can say, okay, here I found it, and then this container is for plastic bag. So before you walk out, you put a plastic bag roll inside and put back. So when a dog poop outside, just take the plastic bag out and clean it through in the garbage can. Okay, let's see how much weight of this product. This one is around 419 grams. And I will let you know the battery of this flashlight. It's very easy and simple to buy. AAA battery, so you can buy anywhere. It's really convenient. Okay, that's it. Hey fellows, this is our third product from today's videos. It's a pet feeding bowl, and this product is made by antibacterial plastic and also high quality ABS plastic. And all the products here is waterproof, so you don't worry about when you feed your dog or cat with like the water or the food. Both are workable. And also there's a scan to weight the food weight every time. So if your pets need to diet, or you need to control their weight or control the weight of each time the food you eat. So this functional is really good. So you have the measure you need with 4 types. So it's ounce and it's pound and also the milliliters and the grams. Let me see how much the weight of this product. It's around 430 grams. And now I will show you how to use it. It works with 2 AAA battery, and also the battery is easy to buy. Here's a button, press it, you can see the scan, the number will be here. So now, okay. Now the measure you need is ounce. Press hold, it changes to pound, and press again. It's milliliter, and then press. It's become the gram, and also really high protection. Okay, I will show you how to weight it, and we can compare the weight is accurate or not. So here's my scan to weight the products. I will use to say if this container, this feeding bowl is weighed correctly or accurate. Send me the food. Oh. This one. And also, where is my bowl? Thank you. Put my bowl here. Okay. Oh, my food is coming. Yummy, 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 yummy. I wait. 25 gram, and we can see if this one is also 25 gram. Oh, same weight, same number, so which means the weight is good. So it's time for dinner. So good. Hey fellows, don't miss this part. This part is most important part in these videos. So after I review the products to you, and you may have general idea how good they are, but do you know how much profit you will earn when you're selling these products on your Shopify stores? So here is the product cost from eCommerce.net, and here is the shipping cost and also the transit time from eCommerce.net. You may curiosity about what is eCommerce Direct Line. eCommerce Direct Line is faster than postal service and is low cost compared with the Express. Hey guys, thank you for watching these videos. If you like, press the like And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Yeah.